One thing to kind of bring up with tradability is like whenever you see the volume line going like this, it's normally like pretty good to trade. Like here, you're like, okay, I'm late. This is a really good one. You're watching it, and you're able to get it way below 217.5. We go to, let's just look at AMD. All right, down, kind of up, under 100%. It's been shit, right? You get one strike. Apple, under 100%. You hit the 100% mark here, and then it kind of comes down. The moment it comes down, just like, hey, we want to tell people probably not as good to trade. You know, if we look at this for IWM, I mean, it's still spiking, and that is clean going up the entire time. You cross 100% here, 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 and then it just flies from there. So you're looking at this trade and thinking like, hey, I'm gonna get in this thing. Maybe that's at 220, maybe that's at 219. You were able just to hit it below 220. Don't know if it's gonna win or keep going, but it has everything that we want, right? Because volume continues to go up. And I mean, you could have bought 220 below the strike, and looking at it now, it's 20 cents higher. So I mean, it's a good trade. You know, you didn't quite get KTR, but you were able to get below the strike. Looking at SPY, QQQ, you know, same thing here. It's kind of just flatlining, right? Get that big Powell spike. Komodo alerts, killer, right? That's killer. Those are killer. This is killer. And then here, as soon as it gets like super mixed, you got to understand like you're late. You wanted to take the 562 call down here. And if you use KTR for these, I'm sure you probably filled somewhere in this area. 1115. You didn't even get KTR for those. Wow, they're keeping the option prices high. Anyway, seeing it flatten out, it's like, hey, this was easy. This was easy. I mean, this isn't a 100% trade, but that's easy. This is an easy win. It's going to kill people at some point in the session. But really what we're trying to do or thinking of right now is doing a better way to visualize volume and let you guys just see it, because time and time again, anytime it looks like this and it just keeps going up, you get a trend day. Bear trend, bull trend, whatever. But that's what happens. And anytime you bought the dip, you made money, right? You made crazy money from here to here, crazy money from here to here. And right now, you know, if you bought below 220, you got 34 cents. That's like 30 or 40% on IWM today. So what I think is, you know, this looks a little crazy right here. We're going to bring a volume chart below these tickers, and we're going to make this a little bit more customizable. So there are like two views there. One is, you know, you want to trade whatever you want, and I believe it should be customized for that. But then two, I think we can do a better job of saying like, hey, this is what you want to trade, this is what you want to stay out of, and that's coming in a future update as well. Lots of stuff cooking. Thanks for being here. I hope you guys all got some wins today.